Alright, day 2.
Man, it's dark already. We're at a park, just waiting for the homies to pull up.
Hold my hand until you turn the edge.